can breathe. I can't breathe. This shit is fucking hot. I don't know. I think they put some seeds up in there. That shit is nasty. Ugh. Is my tongue red? It feel like ugh. It's nasty.
You don't like it?
No, that shit is gross.
No more clunker chicken for you?
The fuck no.
Alright, that's what's up.
That shit is
You've
nasty.
heard it. It's nasty. Traces of you. We out.